Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake. If you want to buy this COSMO 3-piece kitchen appliance package, the 30-inch microwave drawer no handle in stainless steel, the 30-inch island range hood, and the 30-inch electric range, then please visit the link provided in the description. Now, let's get into it. So, when we talk about kitchen appliances, we usually think functionality first, right? Heating food, cooking meals, keeping things simple. But in 2025, appliances aren't just tools. They're part of how your kitchen feels, how it flows, and honestly, part of your lifestyle. COSMO has been making some really sleek and modern appliances lately, and this 3-piece package is kind of a statement set for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen into something cleaner, smarter, and more future-ready. Let's start with the microwave drawer. At first glance, it doesn't look like your typical countertop or over-the-range microwave. This one is built to be flush with your cabinets, sliding out like a drawer with smooth digital controls on the top. That means no bulky handle sticking out, no extra clutter in your kitchen's design. It's stainless steel, so it matches seamlessly with modern cabinetry and other appliances, but the big win here is convenience. Instead of reaching up high to grab something hot or awkwardly bending over a regular oven-style microwave, you just pull the drawer out at waist level, drop your dish in, and you're good to go. It's small design tweaks like this that change the everyday cooking experience. And when you're done, it quietly slides back in with that satisfying soft close motion. Inside, you've got enough space to handle most dinner plates, bowls, or reheating trays, and the digital touch controls are super minimal, no clutter, no distractions. It feels like the kind of tech-forward design you'd expect from modern appliances. Now, let's talk about the 30-inch island range hood. If you've got a kitchen island setup, you already know ventilation is key. This hood is designed not just to handle smoke, grease, and steam, but to look good doing it. It's got clean lines, a stainless steel finish, and LED lighting that not only illuminates your cooking area but also gives your kitchen that professional, high-end vibe. The motor inside is pretty powerful, giving you multiple fan speeds depending on what you're cooking. Boiling pasta? Low setting. Searing steak with smoke and oil? Crank it up, and it'll keep your kitchen air fresh without sounding like a jet engine. And one thing I really like about modern range hoods like this one is that they balance power with design. It's not bulky, it doesn't dominate the kitchen, and because it's an island hood, it's meant to be seen. So, it doubles as both a practical cooking tool and a centerpiece. If you're building or remodeling your kitchen, this is the type of detail that makes a big difference in the overall feel. Finally, the 30-inch electric range. This is where most of your cooking is going to happen, so COSMO has packed in performance and design. You've got a smooth glass ceramic cooktop with multiple heating zones that adapt to different pan sizes. The surface heats up quickly, distributes heat evenly, and it's super easy to wipe down when you're done. No more dealing with old coil burners or messy gas tops. This is sleek and straightforward. The oven itself is electric, with a good amount of capacity for family meals, baking, or even holiday dinners. You can run convection cooking for more even heat distribution, and that means better results when you're baking cookies, roasting chicken, or doing multiple trays of food at once. The stainless steel body matches the microwave drawer and range hood, so when the three are together, it feels cohesive, like a true set, not just random appliances thrown together. Now, beyond the specs, here's why I think this 3-piece package matters. A lot of people upgrade their kitchens one piece at a time, but that often leads to mismatched finishes, different design languages, and an overall uneven look. What COSMO is doing here is giving you a complete set, microwave, range hood, and electric range, designed to work together visually and practically. It creates a kitchen that not only performs well but looks polished and intentional. On the performance side, you're getting solid build quality. COSMO appliances are designed to look premium without breaking the bank.